Hi, this is Kalia from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make these snowflake ornaments for your Christmas tree, or they're also great as little tags for your presents. And it's really easy to use these wood ornaments with a little hole, and then you can draw some snowflake designs on it with a pen. I also actually on my blog have the designs for 4 different snowflakes, so you could also just use those and copy them and trace them, or use the that transfer paper, graphite transfer paper. But I'm just drawing it on here, finishing off, and then I'm using my wood burning tool to really get these etched into the wood. So there, this is the design. And then just heat up your tool and start tracing the pencil marks. You have to go slowly to really get everything nice and crisp. And it's always nice to especially do the dots and just leave it in there longer so they go a little more solid. I love the smell of these. Just the wood burning and everything gets you right into that Christmassy feeling. Just do all the dots one more time to really make them pop. And then add a little string to it.